What would you do? Let me know in the comments. I think I made up my mind. That's knife collector here. And back with another video. This one came in yesterday. While I was uploading the previous vid, this one came in. Another postal service. This is one of the newest offerings of Custom Knife Factory. It's a small, relatively small, chunky knife, the Peace Duke. I think they come in 3 varieties. And I forgot the name of this variety, and anyway it is with a carbon fiber inlay. The other with carbon fiber inlay is the shredded carbon fiber, and there is another one I forgot about. This knife I have to decide if I will keep it. It's sent to me by a friend of a forum, and he got it in a few days and then he sent it through to me, just to review and give an opinion about it. And he did it because since the Peace Duke was offered, I was hesitating to pull the trigger because I was afraid it was too small for my taste, for my preferences. I like some larger knives. For example, this real steel Thor is about the size I like and slightly larger. And as you can see, the Peace Duke is much shorter than the real steel Thor. Anyway, premium materials, carbon fiber, thick Titan slabs for the frame, and M390 gorgeous grind, gorgeous stonewash M390 for the blade. Great flipper action, very smooth. Just the way I like it. I like the free falling blades less, although I can admire them because of the tight tolerances which they were made with. It's a very sturdy knife, very decent lockup. I think it's an internal stop-in because you never see any stop-in. So that will be an internal. Milled out pockets to save some weight. Steel insert and over travel as well. And of course it comes with the Custom Knife Factory pouch, the cloth, pocket clip, screws. By the way, this one has 2 pocket clips, and the authenticity certificate. En even kijken, sticker. and 2 pocket clips, titanium pocket clips. So it's a nice package. It's about 3" the blade. It's pretty ergonomic, 4-finger grip when choking up with your finger in the choil, in the big choil. But when you don't choke up, it's a 3-finger grip. The only complaint I have about this knife, I like to play with my flippers, is when you are playing with it, this point is pretty sharp and it creates a hot spot right here. Then again, a knife is a tool, no toy. Although I think lots of men use them as toys, as I do. Strong detent. Listen to the sound. I like the sound. It's a gorgeous knife. And I have a small custom knife factory collection, of course, with the Sukhoi, the Garza, the Sablia, the Morph. And this would be the 5th one. What would you do? Let me know in the comments. I think I made up my mind, but please let me know what you would do. Would you keep it or would you send it back? Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye, have a nice day.